name is Cheyenne and welcome to my channel. I am very excited about today's video. We're going to be doing a Perfectly Posh unboxing. Now, for those of you that don't know, Perfectly Posh is a company that makes naturally based pampering products right here in the good old USA. I've been using these products for about 2 years. I've been a consultant slash influencer. We're called influencers now. The entire time I've been using the products, I love them that much. And today's unboxing is going to be for some of our spring products. These are brand new. They are going to be launching Saturday, April 4th. So the day that this video goes up on my channel is when they're going to be launching. I'm also going to be doing more in-depth reviews of these products after April 4th, because that's when our big training is too, our big day away, virtual day away. No conferences, but we can do it online. Thank goodness for technology. All right, so here is the box. I have gotten it open and prepared, so let's get into it. All right, first up, loving the look of these products. Very, very spring-like, and it does kind of have a bit of a throwback sort of Victorian vibe, kind of a Victorian circus sort of feel, and I love that. That holds a very, very special place in my heart. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, first up, okay, all right, yeah, absolute passion fruit coconut oil. All right. Huge fan of coconut oil. I have actually, it's what I shave with. I have a bottle of coconut oil in my shower, and it's fantastic. So absolutely excited about this, and guessing it's passion fruit flavor. But you see that like vintagey. Come on, can you focus on this? No, it's not going to focus on this. That would be asking too much. There we go. It focuses on it way back here. Yeah, okay, let me just read the back. Whenever you need extra moisture, you can always reach for this coconut oil. Apply to face, lips, body, and or hair to smooth and soften with the tropical scent of passion fruit and citrus. Yes. So I do like that I can use this head to toe, though I probably won't be using it on my hair. I am a hairstylist, so there's other products that I prefer to use on my hair, but it's nice to know if I'm like out sitting at the pool someday when it's warm enough for me to actually use my pool here in Vermont. It's nice to know that I can use this, and like being able to use this on my lips too. That's awesome. Let's give this an old sniff. All right, so got to take the top off. Let's see what this smells like, because that's important, right? Doesn't really matter how well the product works if it doesn't smell good. All right. Oh, that's quite delicious. It is more of a fruity, sweet sort of smell. So if it was like it almost reminds me of like a candy, maybe. Saltwater taffy, you know, it has that special smell, but it's kind of muted. This seems to be like a little bit more intense. But yeah, this is lovely. I'm going to enjoy using this all over. Yes. And side note, if you join my team in the month of April, you will get one of these, but in the Castaway coconut scent. Yeah. So, and it's a coconut oil. Do not have that one yet, but I am sure it's going to be quite amazing. But yeah, you have to order the $99 starter kit, and you get that Castaway coconut oil for free, and that's the only way that you can get it. All right, next up we've got some big fat yummy hand creams. Now, I love the big fat yummy hand creams. Any of the hand creams from Perfectly Posh are wonderful. I'm a hairstylist. My hands are wet and dry a lot. Don't touch your face, not during this time. So yeah, I love these. They've got apricot kernel oil, which helps it to be very hydrating, but it also absorbs into your skin, so it's not greasy. You can pick up things. You don't feel like you've got like this coating of gloves on your hands too. So that's lovely. All right, so the first one is sugar-coated cotton candy hand cream. Yeah. The perfect hand cream featuring apricot kernel oil that moisturizes without feeling greasy. Apply generously to hands to make them feel spoiled. I also will put this on my feet and put a clean pair of cotton socks on to help to keep them hydrated, especially through the winter months. All right, so there's that one. And then this one is Sweet and Seedless Juicy Watermelon. Same thing as the back of this and all the other Perfectly Posh hand creams. They're wonderful. They're just really wonderful. Okay, so let's open these up and give them a sniff, because again, smell is important. All right, here's the sugar-coated cotton candy. Oh my God, totally smells like cotton candy. Yes. Oh, I'm at the fair. I'm at the carnival with my cotton candy, because, you know, that's one of the things that you have to get when you're there. Who doesn't love pure sugar spun into a fluffy little pillow? Yes. Okay, now the Sweet and Seedless Juicy Watermelon. Okay, yeah. Definitely getting that watermelon scent. It's not super overpowering, and it is more of a like true watermelon smell, though it does have, like, if you sniff a watermelon, it's not going to be exactly this, but it's not as sickly sweet as some of the artificial stuff. So yeah, that's nice and refreshing. And I don't know, these two, I'm feeling more summer than spring, but whatever, warm weather, that's what I'm talking about. Anything that's going to make me feel like warm weather and take me there, I am all for. All right, next up, we've got our sugar-coated cotton candy lip scrub. Yes, I love a good lip scrub. I have dry skin, dry lips, dry everything. I am a dry person. I try to stay hydrated, speaking of which. And this is water, pineapple juice, and an Arbonne Energy Fizz Stick in Citrus Twist. I love my Arbonne Energy Fizz Sticks, though the So Perky ones from Perfectly Posh are good too. But these give it a little extra fizz, so it almost makes it feel like soda. But hydrate, and pineapple juice is just good for you for so many reasons. Okay, let me open this up here. But yeah, you want to use scrubs fairly regularly, like just like you exfoliate all of your skin and everything. You want to do that on a fairly regular basis, depending on whether you are oily or dry is going to depend on how often you should be exfoliating. Try not to over exfoliate, because that will cause problems, especially if you're using like really harsh exfoliants like that could really cause problems. Okay, and if you are wearing a lot of like our Vial lip sticks, they're not lipsticks, but any sort of lip stain, any sort of long wear lipstick, they all tend to be a little bit drying. So you want to go ahead and use a lip scrub after one of those. So let's see here. Oh yeah, it's the cotton candy smell. Oh, but this one, I'm missing Disney right now. I was supposed to go to Disney for spring break, and it's not happening right now. So yeah, this is making me think like the Main Street confectionery, like when you walk into like a candy store that's making candy on the premises. Yeah. Okay. I need to stop like smelling things so much, because that gets a little ridiculous. Apply to lips, rub gently, then wipe or lick off excess. Yeah, I tend to, what do I tend to do? I keep this in my shower, and I will do it in the shower, and then I'll usually rinse it off, because I have to say it kind of grosses me out a little bit to exfoliate all the dead skin off my lips and then like consume it. But I guess if your lips aren't like that bad, then, you know, it's okay. Use your own discretion. All right, you do you. Like it's not gonna hurt you or anything. But yeah. Good smells, good smells. All right, and now we've got, let's see, what are these? Oh, lip balms. All right, just like I have a mad love for Big Fat Yummies, and I have them in like every room in my house. Everywhere I go, there's a Big Fat Yummy hand cream. There's also one of our lip balms in every room. I actually have two in this room right now. All my jackets, purses, everything has these lip balms. So these are, let's see, we've got sugar coated, we've got sweet and seedless, and we've got peaches. Our lip balms are really nice. Again, I'm a dry person, so I have used a lot of hand creams, a lot of lip balms in my time. And the Perfectly Posh ones, I find they actually like do heal and nourish my skin, my lips, more than other ones where I just feel like, all right, it's just a coating over the top of them. You know what I'm saying? So let's open these babies up and get to smelling. Ugh! So, yep, the sugar-coated, this sugar-coated scent, I'm telling you, if you enjoy like the smell of cotton candy, and like if you've ever been to the Main Street confectionery and walking in and smelling that sweet candy fudge smell, it's very hard to explain, but it's definitely like a sugary smell. If you like vanilla scents, like the sweeter vanilla scents, this sugar-coated scent fragrance is going to be like, yeah, but it's good. Okay, the sweet and seedless. Yep, it smells just like this, that light sort of watermelon smell, and yeah, I'm enjoying all these. And then peaches. My sniffer's starting to get overwhelmed. Okay, there we go. Just a very, very light peach scent. A little sweet, like there's a little sugary. I'm not sure if that's because I sniffed up so much of the sugar-coated fragrance already, and it's already there in my nose, but just a very, very light peach scent. So, yes, I am so excited for all of these. Yay! Can't wait to get to use them. I can't wait to do more in-depth reviews. I can't wait to learn more about them at our virtual day away on Saturday. Oh, these are some good products. No regrets here buying this transition kit. All right, so that is it for today. Again, if you want to purchase any of these products, they will launch April 4th, Saturday, April 4th, the day that this video is going live. And you can shop at the link in the description bar or cheyennegonley.po.sh. Head on over there. I have a party going. It's the self-care quarantine party. If you want to go ahead and shop under that, it does help me out a little bit. If you are interested in hosting your own virtual party and getting perks and free products from that, you can go ahead and contact me and we can talk about getting that set up, because I think we all need a little bit of pampering these days. All right, I think that's it. All right, until my next video, bye.